channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little different here. I am going to be putting on my first lace front wig. So I got this one here by the brand Brown Sugar. It's a versatile lace wig. It's a human hair style mix, so I'm guessing that means that it's human hair with some synthetic mixed in. And this one has a revolutionary cross lace pattern. So it has like different ways you can part it here. And then it shows you some different hairstyles you can do with the wig on the back. And I got this from the website samsbeauty.com, and it was about $35, I believe. I'll have a link down below just in case you're interested in their website and checking out their wigs. They're a pretty affordable website. Shipping was fast. I believe I paid about $7 for shipping, and I did get some wig caps there as well, which were $1 a piece. So that was a good deal as well. Now, I'm by no means a pro at this. Like I said, this is the first time installing it. I've just watched some YouTube tutorials on how to do it, so I'm going to try my best to put it on today, and I thought it would be fun to film it and share with you guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my hair back in a low pony. What I'll do is take my bangs and comb them down, part those. And I'm gonna just pin those up here. Hello to the 5-head. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is place on the wig cap. And just stuff it in. Everything a little flatter since you have quite a bit of hair in there. I'm going to put on one more wig cap and apply this one from the back just to kind of make everything a little flatter back here. As flat as possible. Alright. So the wig that I got did have lace all the way around on the front and the back. This is her. It's very soft. It's a 28-inch wig. So I did go ahead and trim the lace, and with that, from what I saw others do, like I said, this is my first one, I just trimmed the lace as close to the little baby hairs that they have in there as I possibly could without cutting into those baby hairs. So you see here that there are combs on the front and the back, as well as the elastic strap here to tighten it if needed, which I have a pretty large head. I probably won't even have to do that, to be honest. And they even have little baby hairs in the back here. So if you want to put your hair up, it will look realistic from the back as well. Let's go ahead and try to put this on. Like I said, this is the first one I've ever done, so it should be interesting. So there's some here in the part that needs to go. Probably should have did that before I put it on, but I'm going to just go ahead and try to pluck that. I know that I see people putting glue or gel or, you know, different types of things on the lace to kind of smooth it down to the scalp. I'm not going to be keeping this on today, so I'm not going to glue it, but I'm going to go ahead and just use some leave-in conditioner to kind of smooth down the lace part to see if that looks any better. Okay, you know what? I don't think I'm about that life with these lace wigs. You know what I think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and make some bangs. Then we don't have to worry about this front here just looks too unnatural to me. Not really feeling it. Plus, like I said, I have the 5 head going on anyway, so let's add some bangs and see what happens. Oh wow. Yeah, we ruined it. Let's see if maybe we wet it. Alright, y'all. Oh, I knew this would be an adventure. Okay. So the main issue was after I cut the bangs, where it had the part already down the middle, it was looking all kinds of crazy, which it still does. But what I did was wet it and then went and glue dry the bangs to kind of take away the part out of the bangs, as you see. So now that we have that done, let's see if we can make the bangs look any better somehow. Oh goodness. I'm glad this was not an expensive wig. Girl, needs help. All these little scraggly pieces. This is a hot mess. Well, here goes nothing. Let's start in the middle. I think I fixed the bangs the best I could. Still look a little crazy, but better than they were. Now I have hair all over my face. Now what I'm going to do is, since the part is a lot darker than my natural scalp, I'm going to go ahead and put just a little bit of my concealer there. Just going to use some ColourPop concealer. And I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush and just dip it on there, just on the tip. Oh no. And of course I would get it in the hair. So guys, here is the final result, I guess you would call it, of my first wig. So, the wig, I like it. I like the length. The color is a little more yellow than the picture. It feels nice. It's nice and long, like I want it. But I think the lesson learned for me is, since I do have bangs normally, to buy the next one with bangs already cut in it, because that turned into quite a mess. Now I have hair everywhere, all over my vanity, myself, my bathroom. It took me quite a while to get it where it's at, and it's still nowhere near perfect. Using the leave-in conditioner did work for the lace to help lay it down just a little bit, but of course it's not going to keep it to where your wig is not going to get snatched off very easily, you know. So If you're looking for more of a permanent thing, I would definitely use glue. I see a lot of people use the Got To Be glued for that, and a hair dryer, but for me, it wouldn't be something that I would keep on, you know, for multiple days or anything like that. If I did wear a wig, it would be, you know, just for a day at a time, so I wouldn't be too worried about having it glued down unless I were going outside and it were windy or something like that. Otherwise, I do like the way it changed the look, you know, went from brown to blonde with a little ombre effect. So, I mean, it was just something different and something fun to play around with. I do think I will try to find one on their website that has bangs already in it. I saw a few there, but they just weren't the length I wanted. I would like something, you know, this 28 inches or longer. This one is a 28. So I'll keep looking, and if I find one, I may come back and do a video on that. If you guys know of any other affordable websites that have human hair blend or human hair wigs for a reasonable price, let me know. If you all have any tips on wigs and maybe something I should have did differently other than the bangs, of course, let me know as well. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this disaster of a video, even though the result isn't too bad. I mean, we got it on. I guess that's a good thing. If you enjoy this type of video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me suggestions for any other videos you would like to see down below. Please subscribe before you leave if you haven't already, and thanks for watching. Bye.